Hi guys, in the last video we saw what are variables in Python. Today we're gonna see some built-in functions which we can use with strings. So we know that strings are any words, sentences or numbers which are written inside quotation marks. For example, A is equal to quotation marks hello world. So hello world is a string. Now, there's a built-in function by which we can find out the number of characters in Hello World. So, write print, then the function is len, and then open a bracket and close a bracket, and inside the bracket, we have to put a value, and that is a, because a holds our string hello world. So put a in the bracket. Now if we run the code, we should get the number of characters in hello world. So it says 11. Now it is also counting the space between hello and world, so therefore it shows 11. Now there's another function which is str dot upper, then open close a brackets, then type A. Now what this does is converts the whole string into uppercase. So let's run the code. As you can see, the string is in uppercase. Now there's one function which converts uh, the uppercase into lowercase, which is lower. Now the string is already in lowercase, so let's convert it into uppercase. Hello world. Now let's run the code. As you can see, the last output hello world, it's in lowercase. Let's put it in lowercase again. Hello world. Yeah. Now we can also capitalize the first letter of each word by the function str dot title, and then open and close a bracket and type a. Now let's run. As you can see, in the last one, the first letter of each word is in capital letters. Now if you want the first letter of the first word to be capitalized, there's a function that says str dot capitalize and open close brackets and put a inside the bracket. Run. As you can see, in the last one only uh, the first letter of the first word is capitalized. Now for example, there's one more string which says how are you. Now I want a which says hello world and b which says how are you to be in one string and not two different strings. So we can add strings together by saying c is equal to a plus b, and then this is how you add two strings. So this is it for the video today. These are the very basic commands or functions everyone should know. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.